Let's summarize what we learned in Lesson 28, Chapter 28. This lesson gave us some examples and explanations to help us organize our web page into a coherent site that is informative, attractive, and easy to find in search engines. Also, creating a website that's easy to navigate. Nowadays, with the way technology is advancing, people and users expect a well-designed website, and they will quickly leave your site if it's some type of poor design or not easy to navigate. So this lesson discussed the importance of making your code easy to maintain and easy to use and easy to update, and just overall the importance of design on your site. By making use of comments and by making use of indentation, you can make your code easy to maintain and easy to view and edit by others. Comments are important not only as a reminder for you, but if you revisit your code later or someone else is working on your code who inherits your code or who tries to make updates to your code, they will easily know what is going on. Indentation may seem like a minor little issue, but it can help you quickly recognize and analyze and understand the structure of a web page if you're just looking at it at a quick glance. Because you'll likely need some code management tools for either you, yourself, or other developers, this lesson introduced you to a few version control concepts. Version control also enables you to innovate without losing your solid production quality work, and also provide more opportunities for other developers to work within your code base. And then at the end, we learned a little bit about HTML and CSS frameworks, of which we learned there are many. These frameworks can help us speed up our web development by giving us templates to work on that already contain modern and valid markup. So that's it for Lesson 28, Chapter 28.